Is there a solution today that can increase the productivity and efficiency of small and medium-sized enterprises while reducing costs and making production cheaper? A few years ago it would have sounded like science fiction, but today there really is such a solution, and it works successfully. ABAGY hires out robotic systems that successfully replace the worker when it comes to the most technological operations. The systems have all the advantages of robots: ability to work 24/7 efficiently and continually provide consistent quality. They're able to adapt to changing environments as well as human workers. So the ABAGY solution allows us to minimize manual labor and get the maximum benefit. Systems are universal and can process almost any product without requiring reprogramming. The system automatically generates the trajectories of the movement of robots, production parameters for each product. In addition, no special skills are needed to control the robots, and almost any member of the production team can operate them. This is how our solution works. The customer tells us what production operations they'd like to robotize. For example, assembly, welding, milling, cutting, or painting. We select the optimal system configuration for the task and do initial calculations to understand how automation can reduce production costs. When everything is agreed, we complete and install the equipment, including technical vision cameras and scanners at the customer's facility. It gives the systems eyes, which help robots see what's really happening in the working area, location of parts, their conformity or non-conformity to the 3D model, and on the basis of the resulting picture, the system builds trajectories and a sequence of actions. Thanks to technical vision, robots adapt to working with parts with light deviations from specified parameters. Components with unacceptable deviations are automatically rejected, while acceptable ones are processed, and the program adjusts to the actual dimensions and angles of the parts. Moreover, the program adapts even if some changes have already occurred in the production process. For example, if high welding temperatures have changed the shape of a part. Robots are controlled using special software developed in-house. Enterprises receive their own personal account on the ABAGY virtual platform, and the system is controlled from there. We've developed an intuitive interface which makes controlling robots very easy. Just a few simple steps and you can start production. Download the 3D model. Select the surfaces for treatment, joints to be welded or surfaces to be painted. Confirm the technical parameters from the library or set your own. Put the parts into the work area and press the Start button. We don't suggest you purchase a robotic system. We offer them as a service instead, so you only pay for the actual work completed by the robots. Only the volume of operations that you actually performed will be billed. In addition, ABAGY takes care of all equipment servicing, repairing and performing necessary upgrades. Results are important for us, and that's why we decided to conduct a small experiment. We measured human labor versus robot labor in two types of activities, painting and welding. And here is the result. Using these indicators, we can easily calculate the benefits. Over the course of a year, a robotic system increases productivity at an enterprise 5 to 10-fold. It reduces the cost of performing technological operations by up to 50%, and for certain operations saves up to 40% in consumables. Defect rates are also reduced to almost zero. In cases where the system still produces poor quality results, ABAGY will compensate for the defect. ABAGY robotic systems are cost-effective mainly for companies producing small series and single copies of products. If you have a wide range of products and sufficient production volume, robots on the ABAGY platform are advantageous solutions. What's more, you don't have to buy a robotic system. You can rent one for a year and evaluate its usefulness. Remember, you only pay for the amount of operations our robots actually perform.